Good morning. Here is the Sanibel Police Blotter dated March 28, 2023. On March 25th, officers responded to a call of an erratic vehicle. The vehicle was located after being disabled due to a flat tire. Upon further investigation, the driver was arrested for a DUI. The driver was transported to Lee Memorial Hospital for examination, then transported to the Lee County Jail. The suspect was released on a $1,000 bond. He is a Fort Myers resident. Other enforcement actions for the week. On March 22nd, two separate traffic stops resulted in both drivers being issued a notice to appear for not having a driver's license. On March 24th, a driver was issued a notice to appear for going 66 miles per hour in a 35 mile per hour zone. On March 25th, two alligators, both approximately 8 feet in length, displayed aggressive behavior towards a work crew attempting to remove debris from a canal. The state trapper managed to remove both alligators. Talking about these aggressive alligators, that will probably happen a lot more in the next couple months because it is the beginning of their mating season, and this does make the males more aggressive. On March 26th, a traffic stop resulted in the driver being issued a notice to appear for not having a driver's license. All right. Did you notice I kept saying a notice to appear? What is a notice to appear? It is defined in Florida Rule of Criminal Procedure 3.125, a written order issued by a law enforcement officer in lieu of physical arrest requiring a person accused of violation of the law to appear in a designated court or governmental office at a specified date and time. It is the equivalent of an arrest. If the suspect misses the court date, then a warrant for arrest will be issued. The missed court date is punishable by a maximum of 1 year in jail, 1 year probation, and/or a $1,000 fine. Failing to appear in court on a felony charge is considered a third-degree felony, with penalties up to 5 years of prison, 5 years of probation, and/or a $5,000 fine. If the suspect follows the law and actually shows up to the court date, his or her monetary fine will be determined at that court date by the judge. Getting a lawyer for a notice to appear is highly recommended. So in case you are wondering, yes, getting a notice to appear is way worse than getting a speeding ticket. Will any of these suspects who got these notices appear in court? Most likely not. They can't even take the time to get a driver's license. I don't see them understanding the importance of a notice to appear or actually caring. Other enforcement statistics for the week, March 21st through March 27th. There were 4 alarm calls, business and residential, 52 911 non-emergency calls, 0 traffic crashes, 73 traffic stops. Out of those stops, 15 were issued citations, 25 were issued written warnings. There was 1 field interview, 693 residential area checks, 502 business area checks, 1,580 total area checks, 0 reported burglaries, and 3 reported thefts. The total CAD calls for the week was 1,902. Thanks for listening.